Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how I turned my husband's old shirt into a pretty summer dress for our 2-year-old daughter. I'm starting off with making a simple pattern. Measure 7.5 centimeters down from the top right hand corner and make a mark. Then from that point measure a further 5 centimeters. Now back to the top corner, measure 5.5 centimeters to the left. And now connect that point with the first mark that we made. This will be the neckline. Here I am measuring 7 centimeters across and 1.5 centimeters down. This is the shoulder drop. Going back to that second mark we made, I will measure 16 centimeters across, and this will indicate where the armhole will be. You can choose how long you want to make the dress. I'm measuring 40 centimeters down from the neckline. And 24 centimeters across. The front of the dress will be cut on the fold and the back won't. The first thing I need to do is seam rip the pocket. Once that's done, I'm going to fold the shirt from the inside and trace the pattern on fold. This section will be the front of the dress. As I didn't include the seam allowance in the pattern, I will draw 1 centimeter seam allowance on the material before cutting. For the back, I won't cut on the fold because I will use the button strip as part of the dress. Please bear in mind where you place your pattern because you might end up having to remove a button if it's too close to the top or bottom. Or in my case, I had to move the top button down and create a new buttonhole. Once the pieces have been cut out, lay them right sides together and sew along the shoulders. Taking the sleeve of the shirt, I will cut out a section to tidy up the armholes and neckline. Place this material right sides together under the armhole and sew with a 1 centimeter seam allowance. Once that's done, cut out the excess material and cut small slits along the curve to ease the material. Turn it right way out and top stitch along the armhole. Turn it over and cut off the excess material, giving yourself enough room to either overlock or to hem this section. I decided to overlock mine. Repeat these steps for the other armhole and the neckline. Next, turn the dress right sides together and sew the sides. Now hem the bottom edge. If you don't have an overlocker, fold it over twice and then sew it down. But if you do have an overlocker, then you can just overlock the edges and then fold it over once and then hem it down. Now this is the fun part, your pattern design. I'm using a thin black grass grain ribbon for my design. But as it's a white dress, you can literally do any design you want. You can even put a pattern frill along the bottom edge or add a Peter Pan collar if you want. For my design, I decided to change the white buttons to black ones. I added fake pockets and a little bow. As usual, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share on social media and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.